Okay. That's funny. Do you like penis?
Wait.
Oh really? Because I do. Because I have one.
Yeah, you ready?
Catherine knows it and Molly knows it.
Yeah!
Throw the ball! I'm recording!
Oh, you are? I'll do it Woo! That's okay, he knows.
She doesn't know what a penis is. Yet. Dick. Hi. Yeah, I know, I'm not stupid either. No, I'm sucking a dick. What does it look like? I'm pasting a brick.
Are you ready? Just throw it here and I'll visit. Just throw it.